Hello, my name is Ed Sadlak. I'm the service manager here at Sellers Buick GMC. My partner and I, Mike Lowe, would like to introduce you to our quick lane service, which includes everything we're about to show you. We'd like you to just tag along. We want to show you all that includes, not just a simple oil change, but all the different additional things we're going to look for on your vehicle to make sure it's properly maintained.
I'll show you where the waiting area is, right this way. Alright, right now we're going to drain the oil here. Take off the drain plug. Letting that drain. And while that's draining, we'll check the air in the tires. Top them off. And if any is extremely low, you go up to the rider and tell them they got a nail in the tire, or whatever the case may be. And see if we can get that approved for repair. Once we got that draining, we'll change the oil filter. It's right on top. Once we're done with that, now we do the routine checks. There's like the air filter. Topping off fluid. Lube all the hinges. The doors down.
Set. Got your inspection sheet here. First service, everything did check out well, but everything green, nothing to be concerned about. You got your receipt there, and we're just keep talking about on this side.
Alright, cool.
Sellers Buick GMC, our reputation is everything. We want to make this a tremendous experience for you. We want you to see the great value that we provide. The whole service takes approximately an hour. We're not just doing an oil change for you. We're providing you with the maintenance service that we we want you to be aware of so that we can keep track of your vehicle as it progresses, so you maintain it properly. And of course, the more that does that, the longer the vehicle will last, and the more your driving experience will be enhanced. So thank you for coming on our tour today, and I hope you enjoy the experience, and we look forward to seeing you. Thank you.